Join me in this vlog. Witness the Christmas symbol capital of the Philippines, Tangub City. Tangub City is located across Panguil Bay from my hometown to Budlan del Norte. On board this transport van, we're passing through Kaisano Mall towards Panguil Bay Bridge. Tangub City is located on the other end of the longest bridge in Danang. We are now on Panguil Bay Bridge. In the distance are the lights from my hometown, municipality of Budlan del Norte. Travelers are taking a pause, enjoying the breeze on the bridge platform, taking some photos. This ingenious device is a mechanical invention that creates electricity which power Christmas lights decorating Christmas symbol. A parola. Bounty from the fertile lands of Mount Balindang mountain range are readily available. We also have here lechon feast in anticipation to the lighting ceremony. Christmas in the Philippines is unique. It is one of the longest celebration of the year. Starting from the Pearl months. During these months, it is the rainy season in the country. But the rain did not stop the visitors, inhabitants to convene in the plaza in order to witness the lighting of the Christmas symbol.
Pasko, darating, Santa Claus nyo'y haburin, pagkat kayong lahat ay naging masaya.
Adding to the uniqueness of the Christmas celebration in the Philippines, Filipinos held morning masses starting from the 9th day prior to Christmas Eve. These are novena masses held early at dawn up until the Misa Aguinaldo on the Christmas Eve. Christmas in the Philippines is the time of the year where all of the families are coming home from abroad, from their works in the cities, coming together to celebrate the birth of our dear Lord Jesus Christ. It's that time of the year. The whole family comes to church to celebrate Mass. Thankful to the year-long harvest. Yuletide season is as well considered as a fresh beginning, a new start to the coming of a new year.
Sa kampana ng simbahan ay nanghigising na at waring nagsasabi na tayo'y magsimba. Magising at magbangon, tayo'y magsilakad at masiglang tunguhin ang ating simbahan. Ang kampana'y tuluyang nanghigising upang tayong lahat ay manalangin ang bendisyon. Kapag nakanta na, tayo'y magkakaroon ng higit na pag-asa. Tayo'y magkakaroon